Hello everyone, I'm Shavari from hookedinloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, then please click the bell icon. Today I'm back with a fabric and a jute jewelry tutorial. The necklace is actually a fabric and I have painted on it and decorated the border and the bottom with jute. So let's begin. We will take a rectangular shaped cardboard and cover it up with cotton fabric. For sticking the fabric to the cardboard, I have used the fabric glue and spreaded the glue on equally on top and just stuck the fabric on top of it uniformly. Okay, and turn your work. This is the back side. So now we will be sticking the border to the back side. So for that, take the scissors and cut in angular fashion along the border like this, and stick the portion to the cardboard using the fabric glue like this, and just stick it to the cardboard. Press it and stick it and allow it to dry. In the same manner, we will be sticking the other three borders of the fabric to the cardboard. At first we are cutting the borders in angular fashion. And now we will be sticking the remaining borders to the cardboard using the fabric glue. Okay. This is the last side, and with this the base of our neck piece is now ready. So it's ready. We will now do the outline of the drawing which we will be painting. I have done a beautiful Ganesha outline and we will paint it based on our imagination. Okay, so enjoy painting it. The basic painting is now done. We will just do the outlines and do a little bit of finishings, a little bit of shading, and finally our painted piece is ready. We will now be decorating it with jute border. So along the border we will be adding glue. I have used Fevicol and added it along all the four sides of the rectangular piece, and then stuck the jute twine along the sides in this manner. Just take the jute twine and press it like this and let it dry. Similarly, we will be adding glue on the second side in the same manner and fold our jute twine and stick it, and do the same with the remaining two sides. Now we will let it dry and cut out the extra portion of the jute twine. And allow our work to dry for a while. Now we will be adding jump rings on the top and at the bottom of the neck piece in the manner I am showing you. Take the jump ring and pass it through the hole made on the top side like this using a plier and close the opening. In this manner we will be adding another jump ring at the bottom mid portion. Okay, like this. Now I have already made a tutorial on how to make these jute balls. I will be attaching that in the description box, so check it out. So we will pass an eye pin through the jute ball in the manner I have shown, and then just fold it using the plier and cut the extra portion of the eye pin like this, and close the top portion forming a loop. Okay, I hope you understood how I passed the eye pin. And then we will open up the lower jump ring little bit, and then we will pass the opened portion of the jump ring through the loop that we formed with the eye pin, and close this jump ring, and the jute ball is attached to the necklace. Okay, on the top we will be adding bails. I have attached bail on one side. We will take the bail, and at first we will open up the jump ring and pass it through the hole of the bail and close it up. These bails are available in Amazon. You will get the link in the description box. And through the bail we will be passing the string. So I have made the string myself. I have crocheted the string. If you want to see the tutorial on that, comment in the comment section, and then pass thread beads through it. I have made a tutorial on how to make these thread beads, so check the description box for the link, and pass the string through the thread beads like this. And finally our necklace is ready. So our simple yet designer necklace is ready, and it's just perfect and beautiful. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. Isn't this beautiful? It will look just perfect with any kind of Eastern or traditional outfit like saris or kurtis. So if you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries, or also mention if you want to see any other video. I have a website at www.hookedinloops.com, so check it out. You will get my crochet patterns there. My channel is filled with crochet, fabric and clay art tutorials, so you will just love it. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.